Kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite dish and a recipe, guys. But today we want to simply talk about weight and be healthy. Basically, so many people in this world want to just be healthy and go natural, eat natural stuff. And I want to tell you something. I want to be the first person in this world to create that idea. That's less than 3 days, you will see result in your whole system. Anyway, I know I did a lot of recipe about healthy eating and how to be losing weight, but I want to be the first person in this world to come with this idea of losing weight the fastest and the easiest way, especially for my fans who supported me, and also all of my friends who supported Chef Ricardo. I want to say thank you so much, guys. But as I say, we want to simply start quickly about weight loss, losing weight, and be healthy. Basically, I will be coming out very soon with some new recipe, new ideas, and simple recipe which you can make at home. When you're working very hard and you come home and you want to do something very quickly. Especially if you're a person can use butter or oil or anything with grease. I'm gonna come with that idea where you don't need to worry about grease and fat and cooking oil or olive oil. You don't need to use nothing like that. So look forward for these new recipe, new ideas which are gonna be coming from Chef Ricardo, or you can be healthy and losing weight and also live a healthy life. That's one of the most important things you could ever do in your whole entire life. As I always say in my video, if you have a car and it doesn't change the oil, what's gonna happen to that car? We are human beings. If it doesn't take care of ourselves, who's gonna do it? Every one of us have to take care of ourselves individually. So guys, today my story for you is that Chef Ricardo will be coming out with some new brand recipe, new brand ideas, new brand stuff which gonna be helping you to do and to fill the gap at home. You're gonna see a lot of people doesn't like veg and vegetable and salad, but these things, guys, have a lot of benefit in them, and a lot of people been turning away from those things. Well, if you doesn't like veg, you need to start eating veg. It's very important because there's a lot of nutriment and a lot of stuff in veg. Special salad is very important for us. So as I said before, our body is no different from a car. So we need to look in ourselves and start to treat ourselves and start to eat healthy stuff and take care of our body and ourselves. Can imagine that some people go to the gym every day, exercise, but at the same time you're not eating the right product, and you want to lose weight. So you need to balance your diet and eat right and look after yourself. Well, a lot of people say, oh Chef Ricardo, I want to see your stomach. Well, I have a fat stomach and I take care of myself. Don't get me wrong, I eat my little chicken and beef now and then, but I don't like eat it on a regular basis. So guys, I just want to simply say to you, look after yourself, and I will be coming out with some new recipe, new ideas. If you want to share some of your idea, please write it below. And this is my story today. We want to go healthy, coming in this new 2017. 4 months, leave for the year to finish. Make up your mind and tell me what you want to do with yourself for 2017. 2017 is all about natural stuff, natural ingredients. Don't get me wrong, eat your fish, your beef, your lamb, your pork, but how you're gonna be doing it? We're gonna change up our recipe and we're gonna come up with some new ideas. We're gonna start to use mostly natural seasoning, which is more better and more healthier. We wanna go the healthier way. The key point is healthy. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, and we have a lot more ideas and recipe coming very soon. New ideas, new recipe, new tips, and go healthy and look healthy. Thank you so much and see you next time. Remember, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook like page and Google Plus, and there's a lot more. And my cookbook is online, and the new one is coming out very soon. Remember, search on the internet Chef Ricardo Cooking. See you next time.